If you upload avatars to any VR social platform, here's a few Unity life hacks I've learned that may help you. Firstly, avatar placement. Whenever you want to place an avatar, you have to deal with this issue of having to make the position 0, 0, 0 in order for it to be at ground level. But there are two things you can do instead. You can either drag your avatar into the hierarchy and it will spawn in the middle of your project at ground level, or you can create a plane at ground level, and when you drag your avatar into the project, it will stay at ground level. To create a plane or the ground for your avatars to stand on, right-click in your hierarchy, go to 3D object, plane. You have to reset the position to 0, 0, 0, or at least 0 on the vertical axis, R on the keyboard, or going up here and clicking this icon, and just scale this up. And if you want to customize the color of your plane, create a material, then select this box here, and then drag that material onto your plane. Speaking of planes, when you're uploading your avatar and you want a custom background image, you can easily drag and drop images onto that plane. So I have the camera here, and you can see that background image in the preview. I'm going to hide these for now. And for the last life hack, you can change the time of day. While I have lights set up already, I will hide these two. And when you select the sunlight or the directional light that should be there when you create your project, you can rotate this to change the time of day, sort of. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.